Good morning, students. Today we are going to see transportation problem. Transportation problem is classified into two types. One is balanced one and another one is unbalanced one. Okay. How to check whether the given problem is balanced means sum of supply is equal to sum of demand, then we can say the given problem is balanced one. If sum of supply is not equal to sum of demand, then we can say it is unbalanced one. Okay. Next, how to find initial basic feasible solution for the given transportation problem. Okay. We are having various methods to find initial basic feasible solution for the transportation problem. But here we are going to see only three methods. The first one is northwest corner rule. Second one is least cost method. Third one is Vogel's approximation method. Okay. Yes, now we will see one numeric example under northwest corner rule. Yes. Find initial solution to the following transportation problem using northwest corner rule. Yes, here origin, destination. The values of origin and destinations are given here. The respective demand and supply is given here. We are asked to calculate initial solution, which is nothing but initial basic feasible solution for this problem by using northwest corner rule. Solution. Before proceeding the problem, we have to check whether the given problem is balanced one or not. How to check whether the given problem is balanced one? We have to sum the demand. That means we have to add up all these values. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30. As well as we have to sum the value for supply. So 7 plus 12 is equal to 19. 19 plus 11 is equal to 30. So here sum of the demand and sum of the supply are equal. Therefore, we conclude the given problem is balanced one. If it is balanced, we started to find initial basic feasible solution by using northwest corner rule. If the problem we are asked to solve the problem using northwest corner rule means we have to start the allocation from the first cell of the given problem. For this cell, we have to see supply as well as demand. Whichever is minimum, we have to allocate that one. So here supply is less than demand. So allocate supply 7. Okay. Then supply will becomes 0. Now the demand will becomes 3. Okay. Yes. Now from this where we are having balance, in demand we are having balance. So we have to, our next allocation is move down to this cell. Okay. For this cell we have to see supply as well as demand. So whichever is minimum, that we have to allocate here. So the demand is minimum with compared to supply. So we have to allocate demand 3. Then the demand will becomes 0, supply will becomes 9. So here we are having balance. So we have to move to this cell. Okay, yes. So for this cell we have to see supply as well as demand. Okay, so whichever is minimum, supply is minimum. So you have to allocate supply for this cell 9. Then 9 will becomes 0, 10 will becomes 1. So here we are having remainder. So we have to move down to this cell for our next allocation. So for this cell we have to see supply as well as demand. So demand is minimum with compared to supply. So allocate the demand in this cell. So 1, then demand will becomes 0, supply will becomes 10. So here we are having balance. So we have to move to this cell. So for this cell we have to see supply as well as demand. So here see supply and demand are same. So allocate the respective values. Okay, demand. then finally demand will becomes 0 and supply will becomes 0. Yes, now successfully we allocate all the demand and supply for the given problem. Next we have to initial basic feasible solution. Yes. For finding initial basic feasible solution, this is the condition. This must be satisfied. Here m plus n minus 1 is equal to number of allocation. Here m represents number of rows. N represents number of columns. Okay, so totally 3 rows and 3 columns. So 3 plus 3 minus 1 equal to number of allocation. That means how many allocations we made in that given problem means totally 5 allocations. Okay, which is equal to 5. So when you simplify left hand side, we are getting value as 5. So 5 is equal to 5. Now the condition gets satisfied. Then start to write initial basic feasible solution. How to write initial basic feasible solution means we have to multiply allocation into respective cell value and then finally add up all the values, which gives initial basic feasible solution for the given problem. So for this problem, here the first allocation is what? 7. So 7 into 1 here, then plus 3 into 0 here, then plus 9 into 4 here, then 1 into 1, then 10 into 5. Okay, yes, now you have multiply all such things and then you can add. We are getting 94 is the initial basic feasible solution for the given problem. Thank you.